live tropical updates.
I know y'all are probably thinking, what am I about to do? Well, I just thought, instead of doing that, if I just do a cut, okay, and then when you go this, and then this, okay, that'd probably be better than just it fading out, because it, you know, things are difficult. Let's get right into this. Let me pull the chat up, and yeah, we have some storms to talk about today, ladies and gentlemen. Someone sent me a voice message. Snapping. Okay. What am I doing? Yeah, here. And then go to YouTube. Gotta make sure there's no one. I know, I'm trying to get everything working and making sure everything looks good. Hello, everyone. Hello. Kyle is gone. Yes, Kyle is actually not 100% dead. I mean, it is dead, don't get me wrong. It's situated right here, and it's still kind of going like this in this direction. This is... Can I not draw today? Like, my drawing has just been... There we go. And then I actually forgot. I was confused when I saw this blob of clouds. That is Josephine right here, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know, something like that. I don't freaking know. So we do have other storms to look at. If we go here to the National Hurricane Center, it is something I didn't need to talk about, but we just need to take a look here at the... Okay. Go away, please. Thank you very much. Go back. Go back. So yeah, those are two areas of disturbances which could be affecting the Caribbean and the Gulf of Mexico. Now this could do something like this. Imagine if it did something like this. Oh my god, I would be so scared. I don't need that happening again. If you don't recognize that path, that was kind of like Harvey's path, sort of ish. Not really, I don't even know. It was something like that. It was quite scary. And in this storm, I mean, this could do something like this. Yeah, I really have to look at everything to really kind of understand what's going to happen with this system. The systems, I should say. Now, yes, Josephine is still a depression. Yes, I think that Josephine is a wave already. But Josephine is now on her way out of here and about to become fully history. Yeah, 97, 98L are soon to be going to develop. Okay, one thing I wanted to talk about was, I do want to take a look at the models. Now, I didn't see the icon, but the CMC, whew, man, that's some interesting models that I saw. Yeah, I mean, I feel bad for Puerto Rico. If it goes over Dominican Republic, there over Cuba, and then really just kind of keeps it right there. It could be a Louisiana, Texas landfall for these storms too. Louisiana and Texas could be the main targets. Excuse me, main threats. So there are those storms. Now, so one thing I did want to talk about was there's this webpage that I do use, and it's called Pivotal Weather. And again, it is a little bit. It's actually over here. There you go. Pivotal Weather is a little bit more complicated. but I'm actually working on trying to understand pivotal weather. So it's going to help me be able to predict hurricanes, tropical systems, way better. It's going to be a lot easier for me to predict these types of systems here in the future. The only problem, now, there's one problem, there's one thing I'm kind of not, I don't like too much. Oh, I might have to take a look at this. Okay. I don't see anything happening. Okay, now, that's not showing anything. I'm sorry, I don't really know how to, like, oh, man, I don't know how to put this into freaking words. Like, I'm like, hey, that was probably a little too fast. How about here? Why are you giving me temperature, dude? I don't freaking care about temperature. At 500 millibar. Check up on the chat. It's one thing I do need to talk about. That's not really giving me much of anything. It's been really more of a difficult thing. Now, I did see Icon. Icon's another one I'm watching. Or not Icon, I'm sorry. Was it Icon? Fuck, yeah, it was Icon. No, we do want to talk about the other ones. Now, if you look at this, this could also be, depending, it's really going to depend on how strong, how high, how powerful, how intense the high pressure is, because that's really what's going to determine what it's going to do. This could be another difficult system. Now, I have an idea this could be a ghost system. It could definitely affect. Now, this is going to depend. Now, does the storm go through here like this? Now, it could take something like this and then move north and avoid this and come in like this. Now, why can't I draw stuff? It could be, like this, and, it's really going to depend on how high the high pressure. If the high pressure isn't very strong, it might, just kind of come in like this, and just kind of ride this like this, and do something like that. The Gulf Coast is going to be affected a lot. Hurricane watch team. For now, we just use the European model, CMC, and Icon. Okay, which seems decently possible. And my replacement name will be Iker, or Iker. So, okay. Hold up, let me just erase this. I'm definitely not. Okay, you said the CMC and Icon. Okay, Euro. Oh yeah, the Euro. I almost forgot about that one. Oh my gosh, I did forget about it. Y'all have to remind me. They were like, don't forget the European model. Like, hello. God, that's kind of disturbing. So let me bring the thing with it. We'll have to see that. People are for some reason not trusting the GFS. Yeah, the GFS has been trash. I hate to say it, but that's the honest truth. The GFS has not been very good. It could definitely impact the United States for sure. Now, I do want to go back and kind of, talk about these systems. These have a big potential of affecting the United States very dangerously. This could be bad, given now this is pretty far out. Now this is I think the storm, the disturbance is actually right here. I'm sorry, I'm like trying to talk to like multiple people at once. Looks like it could be right here. I think there's one like right here, which could. That is a possibility. Okay, that's not actually supposed to be a Galveston landfall. That's supposed to be maybe a Beaumont landfall, farther to the east. I also think we'll enter the Greek alphabet between September. That is a very big possibility. Given with these storms firing off Africa, that's the thing I was wondering when that was going to happen. When are we going to start seeing those storms firing off Africa? One right after another, right after another, one right after another, after another, after another. And that seems to be right now. I mean, we got another one, and now we have one behind it. And this could be very bad, and it could be targeting the Gulf Coast, which is very serious. Could be bad. Yeah, this is gonna be so bad. I'm just worried. That's the real thing. Is I'm worried about what this storm is gonna do. This system, if it's serious enough, it could definitely impact the United States very badly, and I am worried about that. The fact that this could do intense damage is bad. Is bad. And I don't really know what to say about this storm. But one thing I do want to say right now, regardless of what the storm does, it is going to impact the United States. Very, very likely. I really want to say the Gulf Coast. I want to say oh my god, I want to say, man, it's hard to actually understand because I don't think it's going to be that similar past of Harvey. It's possible it could happen. We will most certainly see if that does actually happen. And so, it's a very long time out. There's not a lot for me to actually say about this system. I'm trying to do several things at once right now. There's not a lot for me to actually say about this system, except this system could impact the United States later, and we need to keep an eye on what this storm does in the future, because again, rapid intensification could occur. We're going to actually take a look at the models, or look at the water temperatures, and this could indeed go through rapid intensification. It's very possible. I'm trying to do so many things at once. People are texting me, and I'm like, stop texting me. That is so good looking. So here's the potential temperatures. Now, if this system, we got to take a look at the wind shear. We're gonna have to take a look at some of those other things also. If this storm, which I think it's centered somewhere like right here, if it goes through here like this, I mean, it's gonna be going over water here. I mean, it's gonna be going over warm water during that time. So this is gonna be bad. I'm trying to do so many things at once. This is not my day. Very likely this could become a Category 5. I'm kidding, that's not gonna happen. But I do say at least a Category 3 major hurricane is possible. So that is disturbingly scary. I don't even want to know what the chat is saying. Oh, I need to make you a moderator. Oh my god, add moderator. Look at the experimental tropical cyclone genesis. Experimental tropical cyclone genesis. Experimental cyclone genesis. Experimental cyclone genesis. I gotta find the experimental cyclone genesis. 2003 was the only hyperactive above season list I had. One hand. Okay. You said experimental cyclone, tropical cyclone genesis. I gotta find that, dude. My guy, excuse me. I'm sorry, I'm like having a hard time. I also didn't get a lot of sleep, and I got like, yeah, video talking to me. Oh, so my god, I can't even like talk about what I'm thinking right now. Where is it at? Oh, here we go. So yeah, into the Gulf is what they're showing. That storm is actually all the way off. Oh man, what was? Oh my god. So, given this, taking a look at this, seeing this, big possibility, storm right here, boom, 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 coming in like this. Now that is a possibility because that kind of does seem the trend that it could take. It may just make a small landfall right there in western Cuba. Lord, I don't. So I don't have much else to say, as people are going to actually kill me for me just falling apart, falling asleep on them. I'm working on it. I'm working on getting my self back together. Next year, yes, with the way it's been going recently. In terms of AC, list 1 became wow shit. Yes, Michael. It is possible. Now it depends. It depends on how much of a turn north it. So it's gonna really depend on how much of a turn north it makes. Oh, this is hard. I really want to. I feel like a southeast. I feel like it may do something like this, or it may do something more like this. And I think I'm saying this region. I feel like a Houston area. I feel like a Texas storm. I don't feel Texas with this. I don't really feel Texas. Maybe southeast Louisiana. New Orleans, Louisiana is possible. See earlier comments, questions, or concerns you'll have. Yes. Okay, so. Oh Lord. See, surface temperatures. Okay, sorry, I'm like trying to do so many things at once. It's not even funny. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! This is so. My phone is just being so slow. Wish things weren't so particularly difficult. Western Atlantic. Wow, 31 degrees in the Gulf. Holy Lord, I would say that's warm. Wow, look at those water temperatures. Wow, 31 degrees centigrade in the North Central Gulf. Oh Lord, if this makes landfall in Louisiana, we're talking Cat 5 here. Like, oh my gosh, dude. That is really looking bad. But that that is dangerous. That is like boiling water temperatures. Yeah, we were taking a look at the CMC earlier today, and just kind of wanted to show that this storm, which I don't think the high pressure is going to be high enough to put it into this region. I think it's going to mainly be this region, maybe even coming up through here. Oh my God, I cannot draw arrows today. You know, I'm sort of thinking it might come up like this, or depending, it might come over here. It's really going to depend. I don't know. It's hard. I don't know. That's my original prediction. Jeez. But that's just sort of my opinion on this system. The CMC is actually quite reliable for these disturbances. The CMC is quite reliable. It's one of those things that's like, what was that sound? I just imagined something and I thought I heard something. That was scary. So, okay. Caribbean and the Gulf is going to be strong systems. Yeah, 31 degrees centigrade. The CFC is actually, yeah, again, yes, I'll look at the East Pacific. I'm trying to, like, sorry, I'm trying to look at everything at once right now. I'm like, oh my gosh. Whew. $948 millibars looks to be the most intense it's going to actually get. Now, yeah, that is definitely Mexico. So actually, what I'm going to do, I can actually go to use the GFS right now. Go to Caribbean, go to National, go to Mexico, and I think, oh, hopefully I can. Kind of have an idea of what the pressure of this system is looking like. Oh, damn, 90% humidity. Let's go. 98, 95. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Dun, dun. I'm trying not to fall asleep. Keep on going. Yep. When we look at the map, and that's okay. I want to take a look at that's difficult actually. Oh shit, I might have. $109 knots. That's and then let's take a look. Okay, the wind speed is so high it's off the effing charts. I'm not even joking. Like the wind speed is so high, it's off the charts, guys. Literally, look at that. Zoom in a little bit more. Look at the chart. This is the chart that I used to look at. And it's off the charts. The chart that I look at is off the chart. Never thought I would, but that's just something I kind of wanted to point out there. Good Jesus, that was Lord. For having a Category 1 hurricane causing billions of dollars in damages. Woo, that's intense. That is intense. This is the second time that the Northeast. Wow, that is quite something. I think the winds are going to be a lot stronger than they're expecting it to be. Like, look at the comparison. Hold up, let me zoom out. Maybe add one more. But here's so like that's what we're looking at. I can't actually get the exact wind speed because it is so hard to find the center of circulation. Now, if we go up here, usually the northeast quadrant seems to be better. 30 is 40 is 50. Okay, it's gotta be stronger than that. Maybe too close. Maybe just smack dab in the middle. There's 70, 80, 95 knots, I think. I don't even know what these number of commit numbers are, but it's so hard to like really understand this, you know. Genevieve. I don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, here's this, guys. That's all I'm wondering. Guys, I really don't have much else to talk about, given that, see, these are the models. I mean, hold up, guys. Let me go. Solid imagery. See maps. Actually, go to the National Hurricane Center. $40 and $40. Wasto. Is this a tropical depression? How strong are they expecting it to be? Ooh, damn, how strong is that? Give me a little bit more. A little bit more? A little bit more. This is stupid. I'll chill. Okay. Here, I can literally just go public advisory, scroll down here. Okay, not public advisory, maybe forecast advisory. Maximum winds 105, 105. That's what? A major hurricane there, my guy. Genevieve. I can't even pronounce that name. I can actually tell if it formed by current tropical storms. Oh, they weren't joking. Wait, that's the name of the storm? What the hell? I don't even know what you're talking about. Hold up, what the fudge? Huh? Well then, 40 knots, apparently. There it is. Bring up to a majority of them, say a Category 3 hurricane. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 models, bringing up to a Cat 3. Okay, I am sorry, but this is the stupidest model I've ever seen in my life. I say that like, I don't know. Like, look at that. It's gonna be 40 miles. Okay, we're gonna become a depression. You know, strengthen. Okay, now we're storming. Now we're just gonna die off. Like, what on earth? Oh, guys, it's just. I wish. Oh yeah, I gotta erase this. There's not much for me to say. Genevieve. Like Genevieve. Alright, guys, I don't, yeah, use different data. Guys, I don't have much else to say. I don't know. I don't know why I show it downgrading and upgrading. Storms aren't always, Storms are not always easy to predict. Yeah, see, it says it right here. Y'all should be able to read that, but it says it right here. Yep, I just kind of want to go to Atlantic Wide and kind of look at that. So we're just gonna watch the tropics. I'm gonna try to make my prediction before it becomes a depression, because I like to, or the moment it becomes a storm, I like to have my predictions in set before it becomes a tropical storm, because then I kind of, the moment it becomes a tropical storm, I can actually say that I predicted this before it becomes a tropical storm. I don't know. So that's kind of my hope. I can try to predict this as accurately as possible before it becomes a tropical storm. But my original prediction, I really want to go with the CMC. It's really hard. I don't have really anything to say more about the tropics except God help us if we have another Harvey, another Irma, another Dorian, or another Maria, or another Katrina, or another Michael, or another, I don't even know all the horrible name storms, but hopefully we don't have a major hurricane, but I think time is running out for that to be true. I think we're going to have a major hurricane soon, and I think it's going to be catastrophic, like most major hurricanes are. Catastrophic, winds excess of 115 miles per hour, which is obviously bad. So, yeah. Alright, guys, I'm probably going to get over there. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am now at 120 subscribers. The forecast is cheer. Oh, shit. Jesus. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, I will. Fine. I'm tired. That's really the thing. I'm trying to get all my sleep in, and I am having a horrible sleep. It's just messing everything up, and I feel like dying. I feel like I'm gonna be dead. I feel like... Okay. Girl, I need to be looking at CMC, because, like, the DFS and shit. It's true. Well, not really bad shear. I mean, girl, that is such a long. Oh my god, that's such a long text. I need to take a look at the. I'm doing my best, guys. Oh my lord. Girl, oh my god. Hold up. Oh, hurricane models. Oh, 7. Actually, I don't know. No, I mean, I'm kind of glad because I'm like kind of tired. I'm like, oh my god, thank God. Good lord, that's like Kyle, Flosto 10, Josephine 12, Invest 95E, Invest 90C. I'm like, oh gosh, it's 11 now. I don't know why it's scared me. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, no, okay. But no, on a serious note, it's really going to be something we're going to have to watch. Invest 97L or 98L has not formed. I can actually go here. This. Here's Kyle, and then we have all these other ones. So, that is, oh my god, that is so many storms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. God, Lord, that's almost 10 storms. My god, that is a lot. Why am I counting them? Because it is impressively crazy how many storms exist at the moment. Again, I'm sorry. God dang it, I'm too tired to even hold my phone. What is up with me? Oh my god. So yeah, that's gonna be for today, guys. I kind of want to put up the, guys, you can, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, any questions, feel free to email me at HurricaneWatchTeam. Yes, I do need to look at that too. Feel free to email me at hurricanewatchteam@gmail.com. I don't actually think I have any emails at the moment. I'm working through it. Okay. God Lord. Temperatures. Wait. Hold up. How do you... Oh, shit. I've forgotten how to look at the... Oh. Shit. Oh, fuck me. Damn it. Sorry. Hold up. Hold up. Forecast the sea surface temperatures. What I can tell you is this. I don't know. I can't specifically say there's going to be this many major hurricanes. There's going to be this many Category 5s. But I do think that we could have another Category 5 hurricane this year. For sure. At least one. At least one. We haven't even gotten a Category 2 years. But I just kind of wanted to say that, yes, the storm is out there. Oh my god, there's so many people. So that's it for today, guys. I know today's been a little rough. I woke up at like 3 or 4 in the morning. Never could go back to sleep. So I got about 4 to 5 hours of sleep last night. Our sleep schedule is all kind of crazy. So yeah, that's been today, guys. I'm trying to keep myself going. That's been today, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your afternoon or your evening. I have a feeling that we will have a fully tropical landfall somewhere in Europe or Africa this year. We'll have to see. Good Lord, there's so many people texting me. Why is Instagram just shit for me all the time? Have a wonderful rest of you guys. I'll talk to you guys at 7 p.m. Central Time. And that's it. Peace out.